What is up, guys? It has been a minute since I've actually made a video, but you guys know that I've had the Z for about 3 months now, a little over 3 months I think, but I did install a Z1 single exit exhaust on the car, and other than that the car is completely bone stock. So like I mean other than coilovers and wheels, but nothing else performance on the car other than the Z1 single exit exhaust. And the car is I mean it's really cool because not most cars just with a catback exhaust sound so good like a Z does. So I don't have a wide pipe, I don't have any like test pipes or anything, just the single exit. So in today's video I'm going to do some flybys and also just like what the exhaust sounds like revving it or even just driving normally down the road. So I'm really excited because I'm really happy with how the Z1 single exit sounds. But before we do that, I have to install this carbon fiber front lip. It's an Evo R carbon fiber front lip for the Z. I actually picked it up from when I bought it from the previous owner. He actually threw it in with a deal. It is actually pretty expensive. It's a $500 front lip, and I got it for a good deal, so I had to pick it up. And it looks really good on the car. So we're gonna install that real quick because I was actually checking it and it's actually super easy to install. I guess that's what you get with a really expensive front lip. So we're gonna install that and then take the car for a ride to listen to that Z1 single exit sing. This thing is sick though, the way it's built and how easy. Like literally there's only 2 bolts. It uses the factory bolts on each side. I'll show you guys under the car. And then, I mean, I guess you could probably use 3M tape under here that attaches to the front bumper, like at the top, like right here. But I mean, I'm gonna try it out with just the bolts and see how it goes. And this thing is sick though. There's only like little imperfections in it, but other than that, like it's super clean and it makes the car look really cool. I'm stoked to see. Maybe I'll have to get some other carbon fiber bits for it. All right, so just to install this thing, just looking at it is basically it's a 10 mil. And there's 2 factory bolts like I was saying before on both sides, so I think it's going to be like one of the easiest installs I've ever done before for the front lip or even like on a car. I was pretty stoked because I was like, maybe I'm going to have to get some like tapping screws or something like that to put it in, but we're going to see. But this is what it looks like, kind of just popping it up there. It slides directly like right into like this little fitting right there. That's going to look baller. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that literally is gonna look so good. It's gonna accent the car so well. Yo guys, check this out. It's not even bolted up on this side yet, but it's such like great fitment. We need to bolt this side up, but oh, look at that. It just matches with the blue and that carbon fiber. Oh my gosh, dude, isn't it sick?
Dude, it looks so good.
Bro, we got to get this where it's like not so much sun outside, but oh man, we got to bolt that side up and then it'll be done. All those last clips, you know why it was bad? Is because I didn't have autofocus on. Wow, nice. Guys, I can't get over this front lip. Is so sick. My car's not that low because I need to get all the arms so I can do camber wise with this, with the front. Because you can't adjust camber or anything like that with stock Z's. So I only have coilovers on it right now. But I need to get all the suspension arms so I can lower it a little bit more. But it's it looks really good. Walk around it here. So sick. So like I said before, this is the Evo R carbon front lip for the Z. Originally this thing was 500 bucks, but I got it with the deal when I bought the car. And it was definitely not 500 bucks, but it just matches the blue, the black wheels. I need to get the side skirts now and a rear diffuser, but this thing, definitely sick. personally. I mean, if you have test pipes on the car, then that's when it gets really obnoxious. But like, that's like a nice little 4th gear downshift, and you got like a 3rd gear. So I mean, it makes the car sound so good with just that Z1 single exit out the back. Oh, dude, we got a little Corvette here to play with. Looks like he just bought this thing. I wonder if he's out to play today. Even though he probably will school the crap out of me because it's a 350Z that makes 275 or 265 wheel. Ooh, sounds so good though. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed those little flybys and everything. The front lip looks so good now. But for those of you guys who don't know, I have BC coils. I have the 285 all around with the Hankooks, and then they're the Evo 2s. And then I have like the Enki wheels. They're 18 by 10.5 all around. I just have the single exit on here. It's the Z1. As you guys can hear it. It looks so good. It's got Z1 right there. And like I said, the car sounds so good with just the cat back. Like I said, nothing else. I don't have any intakes, no test pipes, no Y pipe, just the cat back. So before we end this video out, I just got to give you guys some revs too, so enjoy.